Hi, hello. My name is Thomas Kim. Uh, I'm going to download Bison and Plex for Windows, and I think it'll be easy for you. I tried to make it easy, and when we begin to learn something for the first time in our life, it can be very challenging or very difficult. So Bison and Flux can be difficult to learn on Windows platform. However, I tried to make it as simple as possible. Okay, let's get started. If you visit my website here, copy and paste to your web browser. You can download uh, Plex and Bison for Windows. Click it. It is actually not dangerous, so click it, keep. I think I have already downloaded. I will open it and delete the download again. I just deleted them and I will download again. So I will click clear. Okay. It says Google Chrome falsely alarms it is dangerous, but it is not. Keep. Open it to download folder here. It is downloaded here. If you want to check the integrity of this file, open WinMD, browse for the file, download folder here, and we can test it with the checksum here on our web page. Copy it and paste it. Then it matches. Then you are having the file I uploaded on my website. If you don't know what is MD5, you can click this link and you can get the details information. So here you can download this package. Okay, so we downloaded WinPlex and Bison. Okay, I will give you how I get this package. Sorry. This package was original website is here. Source project WinPlex files here. Don't download this. Instead, download this file if you want to try it by yourself. Here, this file 2.5.0. This is the latest one actually. I will close it. Then here, right click and select extract here and copy this. Copy in your C drive, dbsoft folder, paste. In this file, you can find this Bison Plex PP PowerPoint project file. Also, you can find the sample files I prepared. Also, Visual Studio sample project. Here, select this folder right now, WinPlex Bison. Copy the folder path. In the system, right-click, System, Advanced Settings here, Environment Variable, Path. Then at the end of the path, semicolon, then paste like this. Click Save. If you don't have this path variable, you can select this path variable also, if you don't have this your user environment variable, click OK, click OK, click OK. Now let's test. Open your command prompt. Let's test the version. Win flex version. It is 2.6.3. WinFlex version 2.6.3. Win Bison version. It is 3.0.4. As of today is this February 18th, 2017. Okay, today is February 18, 2017. So as of today, these are the latest version of Flex and Bison. I will exit. And in this folder, we are still in this folder. We will copy two folders. Right click, copy, then move to your working folder. In my case, dvsoft D drive, dvsoft tutorial. This is my working folder here. And we are going to use this. I will first use this sample solution I created for your convenience. We will going to use that. Close it. Now start Visual Studio. Before we use Visual Studio, I make a few settings. I will make a few default changes. Go to Tool, Options, General, Environment General. Here, Document, select Document. And you have to select this check option, Reload Modified Documents files unless there are unsaved changes. Please select it. And go down to Project Folder, General. This is my default Visual Studio project folder, and in my case, I use two different folder. My working folder is dvsoft, D drive, dvsoft, Bison Flex tutorial. This is my current working folder. Click OK. Then we load our sample files, sample project, sample solution. No, not creating. We have to load, not do open. We have to select open, project, solution. And in this folder we copied from my download. Here, select this option, click open. Okay, it's loaded. And you can see files, generated files like this. Bison files, and we will build the application. Go to build or debug. In debug, select start without debugging. Run it. We are building 64-bit. You can change it. Okay, it is built and it runs properly. Simple demo. Control C to close, and we can change it to like Win86. This is for 86 version. Then click F5, Control F5, or you can click just start debugging. If you don't have 64-bit machine, then you can build 32 or Win86 version. Okay, Control C. Okay, then this way you can build Flex and Bison like Parser and Lexer. But this way we will close this sample folder, sample solution. Then we will create a brand new our own for the first time. Go to New Project Solution, Console Win32 Win32 console application here. Here, and solution, we will say hello Win Bison Flex solution. I will name like this, and here we will name hello Win Bison Plex. Then click OK. Next. Here unselect these, then select empty project. Of course it should be console application. Click finish. Currently we have no files in our solution. I will add two filters. Right click and new filter. It should be I will name it like Bison Plex files. I named it like this. Then I will add another filter, new filter. It will be generated files. I added two filters. These are still blank, and we will copy our sample code. We copied the sample files, right? Then drag and drop. I select. Then go to our sample solution. Hello Win Bison Plex solution here. Then this is our project here. Paste it. Okay, close them. Then right click, add existing item. Select to Lexer and the Parser. And I will add one more. Add existing source. About the contents of save this. About the content, source is one of our source code, and Lexer is Plex grammar file like this. Parser is Bison grammar file. At this first station, we don't need to concern about the contents. We need to learn how to set Visual Studio. Right click, properties. Here, this is Lexer property page. Okay, click. Do not participate this item type. Select custom build tool. Say please watch all configuration if your current state is debugging, for example. Okay, it should be selected all configuration. If this is Win32 platform, then select all platform. Select these all platform. Don't forget it. Then here, general. Here, click, edit. Here we are going to put settings. We are making settings for Lexer property page. In case of Lexer, we are going to use Win Plex like this, and O means output file, and make a blank space like this. File name .cpp, then give a blank, then identity like this. If you don't understand these things, you can refer to macro here. And file name means scroll down. It's at the end section, like here. If you scroll down, file name becomes Lexer and identity becomes Lexer L. So this means generate Lexer CPP using Lexer L, something like that. Okay, then we can change it. Description, you can change it something like generating lexical analyzer. We can change it like this. Output, this is important. Output should be file name .cpp. Okay, this file is file name cpp, and additional dependency is the parser generates, parser y generates, parser .h file, okay? But whenever this means whenever parser y changes, make a change. I mean, whenever we modify parser y, it instructs compile generates Lexer CPP again. Okay, apply. Okay, then now go to Lex parser property. Make sure all configuration, all platform. Here, click custom build tool. Here, apply. Then here, general. We are going to make changes settings here. It should be Bison, WinBison. O means output. We have to file name CPP, file name CPP, and it should be identity, like this. Don't forget it. Click OK. It should be generating. It is called syntax analyzer. Syntax parser. This is called the syntax parser. Alpha file will be we need two alpha files. File name .cpp and put semicolon, then file name h. This means Bison will create two files, parser.cpp, parser.h. Okay, click OK, apply. Okay, I forgot one thing here. Right click this again. I think I made I made very important mistake here. Here, edit one thing more. Add one thing more. 2 minus win compat. You do not forget this. You should not forget this option. Okay, this is the switch. Okay, then click OK. Then click OK. Apply OK, and then we made two settings here. These files are ready to generate. First, at current state, we do not have. We do not have LCPP, right? We do not have LCPP. So we will create Lexer CPP. We will create right click it. Compile means generate. Okay. Then here Lexer CPP. This is lexical analyzer. It's just created, and we will create the parser CPP and the parser H. Right click it, compile. Then we created the parser H, parser CPP and parser H. We will add their generated files. Go to add existing item. We generate 3 files: Lexer CPP, parser CPP, parser H. We generated 3 files. Okay, these are generated files. This is source file I made in advance. So we added everything. Now we build. Okay, everything is built. We can run it. Control F5. Okay, it is running, right? It compiles and built properly. Control C to exit to finish. This way we made settings. These settings are very important if we are going to use Plex and Bison in the long run. There is some easier way, but I recommend this method. So let's close this solution. Now I will try to use command line. So I will remove 3 files generated, like 3 files: Lexer CPP, parser CPP, and the parser H. I will delete them. Then I will use command line, select this folder. We need to command line, right click it, search. We have to okay, I will show you one thing. If you do like command prompt like this, you cannot access CL. You cannot access it. CL is Microsoft Visual Studio command line, command compiler, command line compiler. So right click it, search, Visual. It gives me Visual Studio. Right click it, open file location. Then scroll up, find Visual Studio 25. Okay, Visual Studio 25 here. Visual Studio tool. Select developer command prompt for this. Drag to your desktop. Copy here. Okay. Then we can click it. We can test CL. CL is important. It's Microsoft optimizing compiler version blah blah blah. We are moving to this folder. Click this. Copy. Then paste. CD. Paste again. Like this. Here. Here. We can find. We are now going to compile using command line, okay? So we have L, Lexer L, Parser Y, source CPP. We are going to compile them using WinPlex. I will start with Bison, Bison. If you want help, you can do like this, okay? Win help, okay? So dir, say, win Bison out. This means -o means output file switch. Parser CPP and source file parser. Grammar file L. This parser L is called Bison info file or Bison grammar file. Okay. Then Control Enter. Oh, sorry. It should be Y, right? Like this. Then you can see parser CPP, parser H is created. Okay. Now we are generating Lexer CPP. To do that, win plex O output file name Lexer CPP, then Lexer L. Okay. If you do, it is mistake. I forgot one thing here. I will tell you why. Because many people make such mistake. Okay. Click enter. Then I found Lexer CPP. Okay, Lexer CPP. Then since we have Lexer CPP, Parser CPP, and Parser H, we can build now our application. CL is Visual Studio, Visual C++ compiler. We are compiling C++, EHSC. This is command line switch for Visual C++ compiler using. Anyway, then we put source file, source CPP. The file order, doesn't matter. Parser CPP, then Lexer CPP, then switch FE means executable. Okay, file executable. I will name it my app exe like this. Okay, enter. Say I cannot here and Lexer CPP cannot open include file unistd. No such file attractive. This is because we made a mistake here at this step, plex step. Here I will do it once again. Win plex. We forgot this option 2 minus win compact. Okay, you should not forget this option. Then plex Lexer CPP, then Lexer L. Okay, then let's compile. Now compiled again, generated generate Lexer CPP again. Now we can compile again, like this. Now compiled. Now my exe, my app.exe generated, okay? My app. Let's run it. 2 dog 3. Okay, now it's working, right? To stop, Control C. Okay. Then we use CL. This is Microsoft compiler. Now we are going to use G++. If you haven't installed it, GNU C++, you cannot try it, and you don't need it anyway. But for some people who are trying to make how can I say, Unix platform compatible, Unix compatible Bison and Plex file, then you may try it. But I will show you. Here we will delete all obj object file, obj, and delete. I will also delete my app.exe, my app.exe. I will also delete Lexer CPP, delete Parser CPP, and delete Parser H. Now see, okay, you should not delete Lexer L. Don't do this, okay? If you did, then you have to copy again from my sample folder, okay? Then we are going to build using GNU G++, okay? We do the same win flex. I told you, do not forget win compat, okay? As we have done Visual C++. Okay, then I will try it, then I will tell you this is actually error if you do this. Flex, Lexer CPP, Lexer L, again using win Bison out, Parser CPP, and Parser Y, like this. And we created all necessary files. Then we can build G++ output. You can specify later, okay? It doesn't matter anyway. Like source CPP, or and what's next? Parser CPP, Lexer CPP, then out my app.exe. Let's try, okay? Say it gives horrible error message. What is this? Lexer CPP file no was not included. ISATT not included. Don't get disheartened. We will fix it, okay? So go back to here. Win compat means Windows compatible. Now we are building GNU G++ Unix tool, okay? So we have to remove it, okay? Then try it. Then we compile again. Okay, it gave us some warning message, but my app is built. My app. Okay. This way, now it's working properly. It's working. Control C. So this is the way we can build Windows using Bison and Plex for Windows application using Microsoft Compiler CL and GNU Compiler G++, like this. One thing you have to remember is when you use for CL, when you use for Microsoft Compiler, you have to create win Plex 2 minus win compat. You have to give this option, okay? Then Lexer CPP, Lexer L. This is for Microsoft Visual C++ compiler. And if you are going to build using GNU G++, then you have to remove it. You have to remove it. Otherwise, it causes trouble. For details, if you open the file you downloaded from website, you can find Bison Plex with WinPlex. You can see this PowerPoint file, and it describes every minute details. And this is very important. Probably I will explain some other things, the more fundamental things. I think this is most fundamental. Okay, so if you want to learn more about, please visit this website. Then you can get complete. I will make a complete set of videos for WinPlex and Bison. For Bison, and my English is, as you already know, English is not my mother tongue. I'm Korean. However, I'm trying to help you understand with lots of videos, and especially reading with the documentations that you cannot find in other source. Thank you for watching.